Earth's temperature has been on a continuous rise since the last century, drawing our attention on global warming. As a result, many world leaders are working proactively to create awareness and to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. In 2015 United Nations Climate Change Conference, India submitted a target of 33 to 35% reduction in emission intensity of GDP from 2005 level by taking concrete measures till 2030. Driven by the same mission, Bureau of Energy Efficiency in India is taking major initiatives for conservation of energy by creating awareness and promoting use of energy-efficient equipment, devices and processes at an individual as well as industrial level. The Perform, Achieve and Trade PAT scheme is one of such initiatives being implemented under Bureau of Energy Efficiency. It is a component of National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, which is one of the 8 missions under the National Action Plan on Climate Change. PAT is a regulatory mechanism wherein e-certs are issued to overachiever designated consumers for meeting specific energy consumption targets, which can later be traded with underachievers. It aims to reduce specific energy consumption by energy-intensive industries like aluminium, chlor-alkali, fertilizer, iron and steel, paper and pulp, thermal power plant, textile and cement. One of such industries under PAT scheme that has intensively worked to reduce its energy consumption is cement industry.
In India, we are having total 200 number of cement plants, producing rather 300 million tons of cement annually. During PAT cycle 1, we had 85 number of plants. Out of these 85 plants, almost 92 to 93% have overachieved the sector-related target or the energy saving targets of almost 82%.
Established at Tadipatri in the year 1998, Andhra Pradesh Cement Works is serving the capacity of 9 million tons cement and 6.1 million tons of clinker. With the increase in demand, their production capacity also increased tremendously, leading to high consumption of energy.
In this process, we are given the target of reducing the specific energy consumption by 4.2% from 802 kilocalorie per kg of major equivalent cement for 2010-11 as a baseline year to 768 kilocalorie per kg of major equivalent cement for 2014-15 as the assessment year. It means there is a reduction from 802 to 768.
We thank BEE for providing such a wonderful platform to make cement industry the global benchmark best.
With the above implementation, APCW achieved an energy saving of 707 kilocalorie per kg of equivalent product. The training and success of all other designated consumers in the cement sector led to energy saving of 5,635 megawatt, that is 8.67 million ton of oil equivalent, 1.25% of India's total primary energy supply, emission reduction, 31 million tons of carbon dioxide, 1.93% of India's total emissions, capacity building, 5,000 plus engineers and operators, 13,718 energy auditors and managers, 219 accreditations. Savings saved due to energy consumption 9,500 crore rupees, and investment encouraged investment for energy efficient technologies 26,100 crore rupees invested. The PAT scheme has helped in market transformation for energy efficient equipment. With a vision of an energy-efficient future, Bureau of Energy Efficiency is all set to take many more initiatives like PAT, Perform, Achieve, Trade, Energy Conservation Building Code ECBC, Star Rating of Appliances, Demand Side Management DSM, and is ready to target energy-efficient nation for the coming generation.